Hello everyone, and I'm super excited to announce my brand new course, the Ultimate Python Bootcamp. And this is a beginner-friendly course, which means that I'm going to start from the basics, variables, data types, setting up your environment on REPL. So we're going to start with the very basics. And the course is maybe around maybe 7 hours, 7.5 hours. So after you complete this course, you will have all the knowledge that you need for Python development. And we all know that Python is the main language for machine learning. So once you understand Python, once you learn Python, the next step would be for you to learn machine learning, stats, discrete mathematics, calculus, all of those fun things. And learning Python or learning any language, it's going to give you an easy access to any other language that you want. So that's the best part of learning a programming languages. So if you are completely new to any programming language, then this is the course for you. I'm going to be it's going to be a super beginner course, and we're still going to cover the topics like arrays and lists and conditions, classes and dictionaries and files. All of those will still be covered, but it will be covered in a very nice, easy to understand way. So hopefully you're excited. Check out the link in the description. I'm giving it on a very deeply discounted price. So check out the link in the description. And thank you very much, and I'll see you in the course.